Did you know that your mattress is the most used piece of furniture in your home? We will explain why cleaning your mattress is so important, coming right up. Hi, I am BJ, owner and operator of Clean Customs Carpet Cleaning. Did you know you spend 2,920 hours a year sleeping on your mattress? That doesn't include all the time you spend hiding from your kids or binge watching your favorite Netflix series in bed. So, why should you clean your mattress? We will give you 3 reasons why. Number 1, when you sleep, you sweat. It is not something you can control. It happens, and that moisture has to go somewhere, often into the mattress, and a damp environment can and will increase the chances of fungus growing in and on your mattress. Number 2, when you lay in bed, the dead skin from your body falls off, and a nice little dust mite likes to eat these. If there is a good supply, they like to breed and multiply. They can defecate twice their body weight every day, and all this happens in your bed and on your mattress. Number 3, a mattress is a good breeding ground for bacteria and dampness from the sweat and the dead skin cells that are perfect for creating bacteria. Gross! You are probably wondering, what does this mean for your health? These factors can have a negative impact on your health. They can make you and your family ill. Being allergic to the dust mites and the feces that they leave in your bed is not good. The bed you are sleeping in can make you sick. All this can lead to asthma, eczema, headaches, sneezing, and they can all be improved by cleaning your mattress. Cleaning your mattress is important to your health and making sure that your mattress lasts as long as possible. From removing dust and dead skin cells, sweat, to just getting out the stains, anything you do will help the longevity of your mattress. We here at Clean Customs use high-powered steam action to kill germs and bacteria. It is recommended to have your bed cleaned every 12 to 24 months. Give us a call today at 509-294-9505.